Alright, good morning. This is our third day in Ecuador. We woke up here in Cotopaxi National Park. Cotopaxi is like a big mountain. You can see behind me right there, I think it's covered in clouds right now. But it is a volcano, snowy ice cap on the top. We are going to go hike that today actually. Not the full thing. They say it takes about 3 to 4 days to get you kind of prepared and trained to climb the whole thing. But obviously we don't have time for that. If we did, it would have been down. But we can still drive to the down on the bottom of the mountain, and we can hike up about an hour, which will get us about halfway. I think almost right below the snow cap. But that's gonna be fun. But right now we just woke up. We're gonna go have breakfast, and then we're going to pack up our stuff, check out this lodge we're staying at, which is so beautiful. Get this red little tiki hut here. Good morning, Lily.
Good morning. It is 8:05. We're gonna go have breakfast and then we're gonna climb that mountain. How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling awake. I'm feeling like I'm ready to take on the day, take on the mountain. I'm ready to go. It's a bit windy right now. It's about 44 degrees Fahrenheit. It's only gonna get lower as we go up the mountain. But that's okay. I think as we hike, our body might generate some heat, you know? Yeah, we did not come prepared for this weather. I mean, we came prepared for a little bit of chilliness, but we did not come prepared to hike ice-capped mountain, bro. But it is what it is. We don't back down.
I wish they sold it's like a poncho. It's like a quilted poncho that people wear in the mountains. I thought they were gonna have that for sale around here. That would come in handy right now.
Stairs.
Don't.
That was my workout of the day. Like my fanny pack. They give you some fruit and yogurt and some granolas, and then they give you some eggs.
No pancakes, just eggs and fruit and bread.
Oh, well, I got some bread.
The bread toast, the one that
I forgot to get the food in the camera. As soon as it came out, I just ate them all. But we got a little bit of this bread. It's really nice. Some guava jam. They gave us some coffee and some juice. This is a passion fruit juice. It was really good. It's a little thick, a little sweet, a little sour. It's perfect. And then we had some eggs. Yeah, it was good breakfast all around. So we're gonna finish our food here and then let's go. Hi. The mountain looks even bigger from down here, and even more beautiful. The sun is up and bright. Wow, this is nice. Alright, so we're heading to the parking lot. Our goal is to go up this route. There's a red roofed house up there. That's our goal. It's gonna be about an hour hike. Let's see, it's getting really windy. It's getting a little rainy. The rain almost feels like a little small snow ice cube. You ready to go? Listo? Dale. Vámonos. Oh, Lily, what you got in your pocket?
oxygen.
Freaking cold. Can't really feel my face anymore. slow down a little bit. It feels much better. But you can see we are in the middle of the clouds because I can see the clouds below me. But look at that view. Wow. It's amazing.
I don't think I can do it.
Really? You're doing so good. You wanna hop on my back?
No.
I can be your donkey.
I just don't know if it's worth it.
You can see the slope in this angle. Lily's doing so good. She's no quitter.
Yeah, there's more rock on this side, I think.
It's the type of trail. There we're going. So it's about 45 minutes to get up there. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Let's go. Let's go. Vici. I came, I saw, I conquered the Ecuador mountain, Cotopaxi. It's snowing up here. It's snowing up here. You can see the snow. It's snowing. I'm good, but I'm gonna try this oxygen. So you go.
They're professionals.
Whew, I feel alive, baby. I feel like I'm back on the sea level. Let's go. Let's go. We got this. Dale, dale. Dale, Ecuador. This is fun. My heart rate is 132 already. That's nice. Getting all the exercise in today.
Not moving at a pace.
Yeah, it's when you keep going, your heart keeps bumping, and the ground is very sandy and rocky. So if you see, it keeps. Let me see. Yeah, it keeps sliding. So it's like walking on the beach. You see? So it makes it a little harder to climb, but that's okay. You see? Let's go. I think we're maybe halfway there. It's so windy. You can see that red roof houses are destination, but we'll see if we can make it. Lily's having a really hard time. It's getting windy again. When it's windy, it's really hard to breathe. So cold. Yes. Yes. Lily made it here. She's so strong. She's doing so good. Look, here's a little bit of snow here. We're almost there. That's our destination. The orange roof. It's amazing how people, human being, built that thing up there. To have to carry all the material up this trail and to build.
Water?
Wow, it's crazy.
Drink some water.
behind me. Wow, this is so worth it. Whenever the sun comes out and the wind slows down, it's so doable. When the clouds come out and the wind's going play, my goodness, it's a battle. Whew. See that? That's not even a time lapse. That's just how fast the clouds are moving.
4x4.
It's starting to get really rocky up here, but we're almost there. You're doing so good. Be careful. This is so cool. I'm so glad we did this. It's so worth it. We're almost to the top. Well, not to the top, to our destination. I'll check in when we get there. So last final few steps. Good job, baby. You made it. You made it. They made it! Good job! Alright, so we made it into the building.
We made it to the lodge. It feels very damp. Everybody here is just happy to be alive. Happy they made it. It's really quiet and dark.
¿Quieres una sopa?
No, sí, 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 ya. Un poquito.
They have a lot of different flags in here. But once again, I don't see the Korean flag. I learned my lesson. Next time I come, I gotta bring my flag and leave our legacy here. Oh, look at this. It's cool.
Hey, ¿qué quieres?
Alright, so they have a little hut. They sell you little snacks. They have a little souvenir stickers. Some instant noodles. They got some soups, snacks. We got some soup, instant snacks. I'm gonna get some chocolate. Probably pick up some of the stickers too for a souvenir. They're preparing for us back there in the little kitchen. Alright. So I got me this instant noodle. Pollo picante, spicy chicken flavor noodle. Lily asked for chopsticks, but they didn't give her any. I've been craving ramen since yesterday.
You've been craving your ramen?
The soup is actually really good. I also got chocolate, so I can get some sugar in. Manicho. So I got Dorian chocolate with some peanuts in it. So look at Lily's soup.
Chicken soup, chicken soup.
That's chicken soup.
My dad's was served with avocado and like crunchy popcorn, crunchy corn,
You got the local,
and
yeah?
cheese. Yeah. But ours is just served just as is with this big piece of chicken.
Oh, wow.
You see it? I don't think yours zoomed in. Delicious. So good. It's very savory. It has some carrot, celery, onion, the basis of a good soup. And it just feels very hearty. I don't feel like I'm gonna pass out anymore.
Here, you can take a room here.
Yeah, like a hostel.
Yeah. I don't know, it's like around $60, something like that.
Oh.
To sleep here. So you don't have to stay over there.
Yeah.
They will come in with your car over there, and you will stay over there, and then they can take you.
But to stay here, you have to walk up here.
Yeah, you have to walk up here. But anyway, if you're going up, you have to walk anyway here. But you have all your things over here. The only thing is, I don't know how cold it's gonna be at night. That's
Very cold.
Oh, there's some rice in here too.
Oh, wow.
Some rice and some beans, green beans.
Manicho. I get some sugar in. Looks like. It's good. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit, rest up, warm up, then we'll head downstairs. Downstairs, I mean down the mountain. But it was good.
Coca tea. Just leaves.
They make this with actual coca leaves. The tea I had yesterday was with a tea bag, but this one tastes so much like deeper and stronger.
Herbal.
Try. It's good.
I found something amazing. Let's go that way.
Oh, 김수현. 김수현. I'm just kidding. I have no idea what these motherfuckers are. They were all here this year.
Nice.
Eric Khan, I was here.
When did we get here?
June 24th.
Woo! Soroche. I experienced this. I experienced this. I experienced this. But I'm okay. But my dad wants to show you where we are.
we are in the little house over there.
Oh, wow.
1,860 meters. We're gonna go one day over there. Not this time, but we're gonna be there.
So we are 4,860 meters up. And to the top, it's another whole 1,000 meter.
Yeah.
We're gonna be there one day.
One day.
I'm not making any promises though.
Yeah.
He is making promises.
Yeah. I'm 60, so before I get 70.
Oh, Luis, you have to sign the book.
Oh, the book. Okay.
It's so cold, so snowy, so windy. It's so slippery. We can't see anything, but we see our car down there.
It's the perfect texture for running.
Be careful. Be careful. Alright, let's get going.
That way?
Yeah. Oh, finally, the clouds are clearing up and we can see where we're going.
They
4,862 meters above. That's roughly 16,000 feet above. But yeah, we made it. It was about an hour up to hike up. On the way down was much easier. Okay, Lily.
I'm just happy to be alive. I really thought I was gonna faint.
She did so good. He also did it. Yeah, now we're gonna go to Baños. Let's go. Alright, so we have officially exited the Cotopaxi Park on the southern entrance. We are going to go drive to Baños now. It's going to be about a 2-hour drive. Finally got our service back on the phones. We can get the GPS running. This is right at the south entrance. We have a little restaurant, like a little rest area, like a bathroom, snacks, cafeteria. So we're going to go grab some snack and see what we got so we can fuel up for the next 2 hours. Uh-huh.
We are here. We're coming from this side all the way down.
Oof.
From here. We was here.
Mm-hmm.
In the refugio rivers. Yeah?
Whew. Yeah, we did all that today.
All that today.
Okay. That's very cool.
Where was this when I needed it earlier? And then Lily got this thing. I don't know, a little hamster. She got
It's
a little.
a kui.
Huh?
It's kui.
Kui?
Guinea pig.
Oh, it's a guinea pig. So she got this for our little Bambi at home. So she can
I will
just...
insert Bambi playing with this. Go.
And then the lady gave us this little poster.
Service.
Yeah, service. It's just the top of Cotopaxi volcano. We couldn't go this high, but we did what we could. It's a little pissed up. The little cafeteria here was closing down right now. So we're gonna get some souvenirs and then we're gonna drive out about 10-15 minutes and get some food and then we'll hit the road to Baños.
Alright.
Alright. Lily found this restaurant right outside. It's called Molo. It's got a lot of barbecue. Yeah, this place looks actually really, really nice. A lot of nice decor.
Bienvenidos a Molo. 100% al carbón, paradera y parrilla. Let's go.
Very nice.
Hello.
So this is another Ecuadorian beer. They have a Pilsner which we tried. I've tried this club. They're both good. The Pilsner that I tried before was a little bit lighter. This one is a little bit, it's a darker, but it's not really darker. It's still a lager. Oh, and this sauce right here is called ají, and they give you this everywhere you go. And I actually really like this. This is like kind of like a spicy creamy sauce. It has raw onions, red onions in it, and some cilantro, and it adds a nice little kick to every food, a little fresh kick. Lots of lime juice in there too, it looks like. So yeah, it seems like when we go places, they all always bring a little some appetizer, like little corns or toasted or something. Oh, wow, what is that?
I wonder what it is.
Chicharrón?
Yo.
¿Qué es eso? Perdona. Disculpe, ¿qué es esto de aquí? La sangre del borrego. Oh, la sangre de borrego.
Sangre de borrego.
¿Que le pongo en la sopa?
La sopa.
A la sopa, ok, cuando llegue.
Well, what is this?
¿Y puedes pedir otro plato de eso? Gracias.
Lamb blood. Oh.
This is for my soup when it comes. This is chicharron on top of corn with corn on top and plantains. As you can see, there's a theme here. And then plantains with cheese. I didn't realize that this came with plantains.
This is like in Korean, they have like a sunji, which is kind of like a blood jelly, right?
Oh, okay.
But this is like a dried form. What kind
They
of
also
chicharron?
Es el chicharrón que tú querías en el
Never goes wrong. I like that. Now for me, I would like the same spoon with a little bit of the ají sauce on there. This bit of the tomato ají sauce.
Disculpe, ¿tienen salchicha aquí? Perdón, ¿tenemos salchicha? No, lo que tenemos es la longaniza. Ah, ok.
Happiness.
Gracias.
Salud.
Intestines. That's tripe. Really good.
Got a lot of stuff in there.
I think that's cow tongue.
El nombre Jawa is the indigenous from the highlands, and it's Jawa local. It's a Quechua word.
Good.
¿Le vas a echar eso? Ya le eché.
Alright. The base is just like potato, but everything that's inside it is pretty good.
Looks good. I think I had this when it was a couple days ago. Yuala Locro. Jaguar Locro. I remember seeing that name. I got the whole platter. So I have the carne, the beef. I have the stardo, which is pork. Actually, I don't know which one's pork or chicken, but one's pork, one's chicken. Oh no, this is spoiled pork, and then there's a stardo pork on the bottom. Got some sausage and some chorizo with some French fries and the sauce. Let me see. Garlicky,
He's finishing all his lunch.
cilantro-y.
So when his food comes,
That's good sauce. It's kind of like a Puerto Rican sauce. Very good.
And cilantro.
It's the beef.
There's keep coming to visit
chicken.
the place. Say, oh, we saw you in a vlog.
Some pork.
Oh, that's good.
Some sausage.
Avita, look.
Chorizo.
It's like this. Let's say, for example,
That's
they
really
post a
flavorful.
video and then
¿Tú pediste queso?
Pork is my favorite.
Thanks.
Everything's so delicious.
Oh, tienen algo con dulce de leche allá.
Job well done. Alright, so we got a little dessert here. It's called bizcocho.
It's like a pastelito.
it's warm.
Oh, nice. It's nice and flaky. I can hear that. And then it comes with a little fruit jam too. She has mucha leche. So, oh, it is warm. The bread is warm.
A mí me encantan los dulces.
It's extra crispy Popeye's biscuit. I love Popeye's biscuit. I love when it's crispy too, so this is it.
¿Tú te recuerdas ese show que el hombre siempre decía lo mismo de toda la comida? So nutty, so crunchy.
Bizarre food. Bizarre food.
No me recuerdo cómo se llama.
That's it.
Oh god, but at least like
Like, it's a little
300 calories, but it's definitely worth it.
Sweet.
I'm glad we got this.
Alright, we made it to Baños. It is 8 p.m. and we drove like 2 hours from Cotopaxi. It was not a bad drive. Baños is beautiful. This place is full of mountains, water, streams, waterfalls, anything you can think of. This town is well known for its adventures, like hiking, like thrill rides, exploring the nature, all of that. Adventure-packed town. So we are here for 2 nights. Obviously we just got here at 8 o'clock, but we just checked into our hotel. We just cleaned up, showered up, and then we're gonna go explore the town for a little bit. But this hotel is beautiful, so I was just gonna show you. Just a little lounge out here.
So this is one of the few 4-star hotels in Baños. Also, it's beautiful. Oh, and also we're gonna go get massages tomorrow. Let's go. Let's go eat.
Check out the floor. Yeah, it's a pretty slow night, but we didn't expect much more. We just wanted to see what this town has to offer. It's a lot of gift shops, little small food spots, like pharmacies and like clothing stores, a lot of chocolate stores in Ecuador. It's a little misty out here, but it's good. It feels really nice out here. It's not cold, it's not hot. The perfect breeze. They have like spots that gives you like tours around the area, like adventures, excursions. I think we found the tour, so it's right here. Ibaga Tours. They offer VIP service or Chiva like bus service. Bus is like $5 and you hop on with everyone else and you go to whatever they have planned, or you do VIP. It's like basically ourselves for $30 per person, which makes more sense, and we will go to places where we want to go. And I think that's what we're going to do, because we have some places that we have in mind and some other places we don't really care for.
25.
It's our ticket for tomorrow. We are good to go. We're all paid for. We got to be back here tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, and we're going to do our VIP waterfall tours. We'll be back here by 12:30, and then have some lunch, and at 2 o'clock we hit the road again to go paragliding, and then we'll be back around 5. So tomorrow, full day, we're going to be doing some lot of adventures.
다 도착했어 널 집 앞에 with a navigation